Hey, it's Airsoft here. Just giving a loadout on our new gear and what we playing. First off, I got my just ordinary camo pants. It's my Condura knee pads. We both have them. Then I go to my cross draw vest, which I took the holster off and put on another mag pouch. I don't have my AK here with me right now, but I have waffle mags for them. And yep. Then I got up in my 3 pockets, speed loader, utility knife, some glow sticks, and yeah, then a cross draw holster right here. Then it's got green and black gloves and a green shirt with a camo hat and my South African scarf.
Okay, and my loadout. Got some armored gloves. Got my Condura knee pads, same as his. Just got some regular woodland camo, BDU, pants, hat. Got my radio, Cobra. Got some ghillie netting on the shoulders and back. Got a tactical pouch for teammates. And got this vest. Got 2 mags for my TSD L96. Got both of them up there. Keep my ammo in these 2 other pockets. Use .3 gram BBs.
I also have my homemade draw pouch here. Folds up, so I clip it. So I can take my mags and dump them. Thanks for watching. This has been Airsoft from KelownaAirsoft, and we'll try to get some game footage up for you. And that's it. Frick. What was the other thing I was going to say? I forgot something I was going to say. My radio and... what else was it? Is that it?
Yeah.
There was something else I forgot. My radio and something. I just remembered.
Drop pouch.
Oh yeah, frick. Okay, we're going to be moving around. How do I make this now?
You can fade it.
Wait, hold on. I'm going to just start now.